Today, we're going to talk about other ways to say yes. Seems pretty simple, right? But there are many ways to do it. Let's go! Here are 10 other ways to say yes. Make sure to repeat after me and boost your pronunciation. Number 1. Okay. Okay, I will jump up and down 15 times. Number 2. Yeah. Yeah, we are always ready to dress up as superheroes. Number 3. Okey-dokey. You want me to turn left and crash into the tree? Okey-dokey. Number 4. By all means. Are we able to eat 50 pizzas and 20 hot dogs? By all means. Number 5. We can do that. It'll just cost $2 million. Number 6. Affirmative. Do we have a plan to stop the alien invaders? Affirmative. Number 7. Very well. You think we should shave our heads and go bald? Very well. Number 8. Right on. Do I love to watch that TV show? Right on. Number 9. Totally. Do I think pink polka dots and green leather go well together? Totally. Number 10. Sure. Am I able to fly like Superman and fight like the Hulk? Sure. In this lesson, we talked about 10 other ways to say yes. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Do you have any other ways? If you enjoy Able English and you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe.